Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Here will presentation of research article 1. Class English for Nursing Group Member Berlina Trisni Farah Utama, Fatwa Kamal Yulianto, Dina Rosmala Silviana, Haris Malala Dewi, Melita Oktaviani, Muhammad Gazi Saputra. Title Family Caregiver Burden of Elderly with Dementia.
Background or introduction. What has previous research found? One, caregiver burden conceptualized as a multidimensional conception encompassing the emotional, physical, and socioeconomic aspect of caregiving role, which is unique for each caregiver. Two, some family member find meaning in their new role as caregiver. But on the other hand, more than 15% of family caregivers worldwide say that their health, work, and social life are disrupted as a result of their caring responsibilities. Next, why did research carry out of the study? What is the problem? Current research has shown that caregiver who live and caring for spouse or parents with dementia have bigger level of stress and burden than caregiver of patient with other chronic illness.
What are the limitations of the recall study? The fish were not physical up the 910 include study article by using specific instrument and treating L evidence as equivalent. The second limitation concern with some of the concept of burden was not clear defined. For example, some of experiment using CBEI instrument to measure another variable such as stress and depression, and it was difficult to analyze and develop the key outcome when screening process. The characteristics of limitation in the review all include the limitation of its previously published study where the adequacy of study include according to the inclusive criteria in the methodological procedure described by the patient. What are the research questions in the study? Mention the purpose of the study. Study association with caregiver burden have been discussed all over the world. Therefore, the aim of the study to review articles and journals about level of burden and characteristics that affect the burden on caring, caring for the elderly with dementia.
Method or methodology. The participant mentioned the number of population and sample in the study. A literature review with a screen for reference article published between using database PubMed, Google Scholar, and then Oxford Academic Journal, and comparative search with specific keywords using the Boolean operators and or was performed including the main terms. Number two, family caregiver, spousal references, adult skill, informal caregiver taking care of elderly with dementia. Where and when did the researchers conduct the study? Unexplained. Next. What were the type, technique, and instrument used in study? A literature review with a search for reference article published between 2015. How did the reference contact the date with first data collection farm work? How did the references analysis the data? User Prisma perfect item for systematic review and meta-analysis.
Results. What did the research find? In 8 research studies, it was found that most of the family caregivers live in the same house or live close together. The family caregivers are usually spousal, husband or wife, adult children, and other brother or sister, daughter-in-law, and other relative caregiver were children of the elderly with dementia became the majority in 10 studies. Spousal caregivers also dominate with average percent of more than in 8 studies. Discussion. Did the findings answer the question? Explain the findings based on the result of the study supported by the theoretical framework of previous research. In several studies in this literature review, social support and family function were reported as mediator variables among other factors that influence the burden. This result demonstrates the importance of providing support to family caregivers as an important step in the care of the elderly community with dementia and can support a more positive caregiving experience. In addition, findings from the existing literature review also showed that caregiver characteristics were also related to burden of care, specifically the socio-demographic characteristic of caregivers, including age, gender, family relationship, and co-residence with PYD. conflicting results for caregiver again with regard to burden were also identified, showing that might not be linearly related to burden, but rather to perception of caregiving related to other influenced factor.
Conclusion. What were the most important finding characteristic of the elderly with dementia, severity and type of dementia, behavioral disorder, neuropsychiatry symptom, level of dependence on treatment, comorbid illness, socio-demographic characteristic of caregiver, age, gender, economic status, status of family, relationship, and co-resident, and characteristic of care, duration and intensity of care, are factors that affect the caregiver burden. What are the implications of the study for further research? For further research at a database to screen journals such as Corpus or Wiley. Next. What are the strengths and weaknesses of the study? This research has provided information and can be provided by the result based on the reference that has been found, and the weakness the term is difficult to understand. What are the recommendations of the study? Provide more specific information about the analysis method used. Thank you.